on row 11 of the diamond leaf pattern, and I'm starting the second 10 stitch repeat in the row. So the repeating 10 stitches starts with a yarn over, so the yarn comes around the needle from the back to the front, knit 1, SSK, slip, slip, knit the 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, and then a good way to see where you're at in the pattern repeat is when you've got the open stitches there that are created from the yarn overs, you know that that's middle one there is always going to be a knit stitch, and on each side of that you're going to have a yarn over. So sometimes if you lose your place in your row, you can find that again and pick up where you should be. So we are doing I've just done a knit 2 together, see I nearly forgot. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, so I've created another hole there, or another open stitch, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, so I'm back into the next repeat, knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and I'm back at the start of the 10 stitch repeat again. So I will continue that across row 11. Okay, we are on row 13 and I am on the second 10 stitch repeat in the row. So it starts with a yarn over again, so around we go, knit 2, SSK, slip, slip, knit those 2 together through the back, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, and knit 1. So that knit 1 is bringing us back to that middle column there with the yarn overs on either side. And then we'll just do that one more time. So we're starting again, yarn over, so yarn goes from back to front, knit 2, so the yarn crosses over the top of the needle, 1, 2, SSK, slip, slip, knit those 2 together through the back, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, and knit 1, and we are back at that center column again. So that's row 13, and we repeat that across the row, and I will come back with row 15. Okay, row 15 of our diamond leaf pattern is the last lacework row of our 16 row pattern repeat. So for this one we're starting with a yarn over again, so wrap round the needle, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SK2P this time as in row 7, so we slip the next stitch, we knit the next 2 together, and then we pass that slip stitch over the stitch in front like that. Then I just kind of pull on the knitting just to firm that stitch up. Knit 3 after our SK2P, yarn over, knit 1, and we are back at our center column again, so we know I've just done a 10 stitch repeat because we're back there. So we're starting again, yarn over, knit 3, SK2P, slip the first one, knit the next 2 together, pass that slip stitch over the front one, knit 3, oops, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, and we continue that across our row.